In this quick video, I will show you how to convert USDT to XRP on Kucoin step by step. So the first step is to go to Kucoin.com, then log in. Once you have logged in, go to trade here and click convert. Then you can click here and tap down XRP. Click here, type the amount of USDT you want to convert, but make sure it is 1 USDT and above. So for example, I want to convert the maximum amount. Click here. Then I will receive this amount of XRP. Click confirm. Click confirm. And now you can see that I have received 5.0826 XRP on my trading account. And if you have any questions about how to convert Luna, and if you have any questions about how to convert USDT to XRP on Kucoin, leave a comment below.